Breathe in, hold, breathe out again. Breathe in, hold, breathe out. Now close your eyes, and for a moment stop running, stop rushing, stop escaping. Just be here, because something is about to happen. And it's not just a song. It's a choice. It's a right. There is a place every human must face, a place that separates the ones who dream from the ones who become. The threshold, the moment before the reps, the moment before the work. And at the threshold, the Lamb speaks. Not today.
You're tired.
Start tomorrow.
You got time.
Just relax.
You deserve comfort.
And listen.
The Lamb
isn't evil.
It is trained.
Conditioned.
Programmed.
It learned to survive through comfort. But comfort is not life. Comfort is the slow death of potential. And if you're honest, there are dreams you've carried that never became real. Not because you didn't want them, but because you stood at the threshold and you turned away. You chose relief. And maybe you told yourself,
it's fine.
I'll do it later.
I'll do it later.
I'll start tomorrow. But deep down,
you knew.
You broke your word.
And every time
you break your word,
you break trust with yourself.
And trust is the foundation of power. Because a man without trust in himself is a man who cannot build a life.
So today,
you do not leave here the same.
Today,
we restore trust.
Today,
we become a man whose word is final. And it begins with one truth. Resistance is not a stop sign. Resistance is a signal. Resistance is the doorway. Resistance means go.
Resistance means go.
When I feel it, I move.
When I feel it, I grow.
Now imagine this. You are standing in front of a doorway made of fire. On the other side is your future self, the lion version of you. He is calm, clear, strong, loving, discipline-free. And he is watching you. He does not hate you for the past. He does not judge you. But he is asking one question. Will you keep your word? Because your word is not just language.
Your word
is identity.
Your word
is the contract you sign with the universe. And when you keep it, you become. When you break it, you decay. So today, you don't need motivation. You need vow. You need code. And here is the code. Name the voice. This is the Lamb. Tell the truth. It wants comfort, not greatness. Breathe like a king. Calm is power. Take the smallest honorable action. One rep, one step, one sentence, and seal it with the vow. I keep promises to myself.
I keep promises
Feel the pull of resistance, that tension, that urge to escape. And don't run, stay here, because self-mastery is not the ability to feel good all the time. Self-mastery is the ability to feel discomfort and stay calm. That is power. Resistance means go!
Resistance means go.
When I feel it, I move.
When I feel it, I grow.
Now repeat after me,
Slow,
with meaning. My word is my bond.
my word is my blade.
My word is my truth.
My word is my way.
I do the thing, even when I don't feel like it. Especially when I don't feel like it. Because I am not led by emotion, I am led by code. My word is a sword.
My word is a sword.
I cut through the noise,
Cut through the noise.
and I do what I swore. Resistance means go.
Resistance means go.
When I feel it, I move.
When I feel it, I grow.
And tomorrow morning, when the lamb whispers, not today, you will smile, because you will recognize the voice, and you will say, thank you. You have shown me where my freedom lives. Then you will move one rep,
One step.
one sentence, and your life will change. Not from one heroic moment, but from daily proof.
Resistance means go. My word is a sword.
Resistance means go.
Resistance means go. My word is a sword.
May you become a master of the threshold. May your nervous system become time in the fire. Will you keep your word? In the whamostans, either and I, my word is a sword.